Hello, what's up guys? This is Bobby Shahzad, CEO of InterFunnels, and today I have this exciting news to share with you that we just launched our email marketing autoresponder software tool that is integrated into your InterFunnels account, and now you can use it with integration of your funnels and your stores. So it works hands on hand with the funnels and the stores. So this is an email autoresponder, just like MailChimp, just like GetResponse, Aweber. You now have an email marketing option inside the InterFunnels under the same account, and I'm just going to show you exactly how you're gonna do the work inside this email autoresponder service and how it is going to integrate with your funnels, with your stores. So the first thing that you want to do is, this is your dashboard. Right now there's nothing in here, so you don't see a lot of stats, but normally you would see the opens and clicks over here. But the first thing I want to do is I want to go to the settings, and I want to do the SMTP settings, because remember that the SMTP settings that are required are from you have to do those from Mailgun, you have the different services like Mailgun, Amazon SES, and so all these services provide you the SMTP settings, right? So you just have to integrate that third-party SMTP inside your autoresponder tool. So we don't have the in-house email deliverability available as of now. Okay, so this is your SMTP settings. So there is already an SMTP added. So I want to add a new SMTP. So I'll go here, and under the SMTP title, I would put like something like Mailgun. Okay, SMTP host, I would put something like smtp.mailgun.net, or okay, and the SMTP user would be my SMTP user. Let's say it is InterFunnels, and the password would be the SMTP password that I'm given. Usually the port is 25 or 581, something like that. You will get that information from your SMTP provider. Then we have the encryption. If you want to encrypt, you can use TLS or SSL. Otherwise, you can leave it blank. So it will provide you some extra security. So is it active? What should be the speed per hour? When you send out a broadcast, it really matters. The speed really matters. So if you set like 1000 per hour, let's say your email list size is 10,000. So you want all of them to go out in 1 hour, so you would put 10,000 per hour as the speed. But it also depends on how much Mailgun would allow you to send, right? Then you can make a test and verify the SMTP. Once your test is successful, you will be able to send out the emails using this SMTP server. So it is connected. Okay, so since I already have an SMTP, so I'm going to cancel that. What are the service providers? You have Mailgun, you have Amazon SES, you have SendGrid. These are the popular SMTP service providers, but you always have the option for the bulk response, which is our own SMTP email marketing service. Remember guys, we're not new in the email marketing. We have been doing this for like 2008. So this is our premier service that has been working since 2008, and we do have an SMTP account where you can send 100,000 SMTP emails using for the $49. So this is specially meant for the high volume senders, people who do not want to be restricted by the double opt-in, who are doing the cold emailing mostly. So these are the kind of clients we have over here in the bulk response. So you also have the option to sign up for a bulk response account, and delivery will be as good as SendGrid, Mailgun. We inbox regularly for the SMTP relay, so that is not a problem for us. And right now I'm using my own SMTP in the bulk response. This is my own SMTP that is given to me by the bulk response, right? So once your SMTP setting is done, now what we want to do is you want to come to the lists, and you want to basically create a category if you haven't already done that. because this helps you categorize your lists into some categories. Like you want to have a separate category for real estate, and then another category for example, make money home. So these are the categories you want to create. Okay, and once you have the category, you want to come to the lists and create a new list. So I'm going to add a new list. I'm going to call it subscribers list, and then I'm going to select a category, and then a resubscribe option. Whether if user try to resubscribe, should I ignore, notify, or resubscribe? I'll just ignore it. Default from name, let's keep it like InterFunnels test. Okay, from email should be sales@interfunnels.com, and reply email should be the same, but you can keep different reply email if you want to, because this email is important when sending out the broadcasts. Okay, so let's clone this one. I'm gonna clone this, and what I'm gonna do is we are going to create another list for the buyers. Okay, the people who are gonna buy our product. I'm gonna call it buyers. Okay, and rest of the settings are the same. Just wanna change the category, and this creates a duplicate of my list. So I have a subscribers list, and then I have a buyers list. Okay, so far so good. And now I want to come to the follow-ups. Okay, so under the follow-ups, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an autoresponder series for my new subscribers. So I'm going to go to the add new follow-up, and I can choose a blank template, or I can choose a pre-designed template with several templates, and we're adding new templates every day. So there are a lot of new templates coming in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, for example, choose this one. Okay, let's select this one. All right, so this is my HTML version, and this is my text version. Okay, so on the text version, I'm going to say hello, and then if I want a first name here, I'm gonna put the first name. You are subscribed to my list with your email, and then I'm gonna put the email marker. So here's the email. So you see all the fields are available here: first name, last name, country, and then you have 10 custom fields available that you can use anywhere here. And then I'm gonna put a thank you, Bobby Shazad. Okay, so this is my text version. Okay, I'm just gonna save for the moment follow-up message. So I want to follow up with my buyers as soon as they sign up for my product, and then I have to specify the interval. So on day 0, so I want this email to go out immediately. So same time as sign up, this email will go out immediately. Then I can select what are the days of the week that I want this email to go out. So if it is one of these days, then it's gonna go immediately. Okay, then I have the subject. So welcome to InterFunnels. Hello, first name. I'm gonna put the first name here. Hello, first name. Oh, hello, first name. Welcome to InterFunnels. Okay, and then we have the from address and reply address, and the from name is InterFunnels test. So now I can save this. Okay, now we have created the follow-up autoresponder, and we can create a second message, third message. We can give them the interval. You can change the interval from here. You can basically duplicate this one, and then you can create a second autoresponder if you want to. Let's just call it like follow-up message 2. All right, you can change the day from here. So I can make it like this goes on the immediate day 0, and this one goes on day 1. So I can change from here, right from here. Okay, so I can keep adding those autoresponder for day 3, day 4, day 5, and so on, right? So it goes on to up to 52 weeks if you want to. These are the for follow-up messages. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my funnel, and I'm going to show you how to integrate the funnel with the autoresponder tool. So this is my funnel. Okay, now I'm going to go to the settings, and then I'm going to go to autoresponder, and from here I'm going to choose yes, and from the autoresponder list I'm going to choose InterFunnel autoresponder. Okay, now I'm going to save this. Fair enough. I can also connect my Aweber, ActiveCampaign, all these services, but I'm using the built-in email autoresponder, so that's what I want. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this was the funnel settings. Okay, now I'm going to go to the page settings. On the page level, I want to specify what happens to my lead once they submit this form, this opt-in form, right? So I'm going to go to the autoresponder under the page level, and when visitor exit or submit this form, what I want is I want them to add to subscribers list. All right, so it will be added to my subscribers list when this opt-in form is submitted. Okay, so this is important step. So first thing, you go to this funnel settings and set up the autoresponder integration from there, and then you come back on the page level. Now you have an option to add or remove people on the page level. So second thing you want to do is, what I want is, when this order form is submitted, I want them to be removed from the subscribers list and added to the buyers list. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the autoresponder. When visitor exit this form or when they submit this form, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add them to the buyers list and remove them from the subscribers list, because they're no longer a subscriber, they're now a buyer of my service, right? So this is only autoresponder InterFunnels that is providing this facility for you guys to be able to do the autoresponder settings on the page level. Every page can add or remove people from certain lists. So this helps you with a lot with your email automation. This shows you on what level somebody should be added to a follow-up, and on what level they should be removed from a follow-up. So this is very powerful from the marketing perspective, and this is how you do the autoresponder integration. So once we've done this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this out, and this is basically a very simple template. There's nothing in here, so I'm going to put my name, and then I'm going to submit this. Now I'm on the order form, right? I'm not going to fill this order form. I'm going to go back to my email autoresponder, and what happened is it subscribed me to this email list, and if I fill this order form, it will remove me from this email list as well. All right, so so this is it, guys. This is our autoresponder tool, and the autoresponder will start going out automatically to this subscriber according to the schedule that you have provided. So I'm going to call off this video for now, and thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can always go to our help desk and watch our video tutorials or send us a feedback. But there is also a help desk link on our main dashboard, so you can reach our support anytime, or you can email us at support@interfunnels.com. So this email autoresponder is everything. I haven't covered everything. I'm going to make some more videos in the future, but there are also options for sending out the broadcast emails, like you have to add a new campaign and then send this campaign from here. You can use this feature as well. So if you want to send a broadcast email, you can use this. and also there is a drag and drop builder that I haven't covered yet, so I'm going to make another video about that. So sending email campaign, that is going to be the next video I'm going to make. So thank you so much, and if you are watching this on our YouTube channel, please like, subscribe, and comment and give us your feedback. Thank you so much.